In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a soft and romantic summer wedding bouquet just in a few minutes. Hi, this is Donald here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining us. In today's tutorial, we want to share with you how to make a wedding bouquet using the spiral method. So I have a few more videos about hand-tie bouquet technique. If you want to check it out, I will put a card pop-up and the link in the description down below too. For this wedding bouquet, our color palette is neutral colors, burgundy and pop of pink. And we got just a lot of cool looking foliages and flowers for this bouquet. I'm super excited to build this bouquet. Let's move on to the project. Before we making the bouquet, we are going to prepare all the ingredients. Put them on the table and nicely separate them into sections. So when we are making the bouquet, it's easier to grab it. Make sure you clean some of the leaf off the stems. At the same time, please remove any damaged flower petals or greeneries on the stems too. Today's bouquet is gonna be a little boho style and a free-floating gorgeous inspired bouquet with a spiral method. At first, we are going to start with the greenery. When we have a solid base of foliages, it's easier to control the flower placement. Here we are using the spiral technique. Basically, it's all the stems are going to go in one direction. If you are not familiar with the spiral technique, please check out other videos on my channel for that. The first flowers going into this bouquet are stalks. I love them. They are going to help me to shape my bouquet the way I want it. In this case, I want my bouquet more like an oval shape. After that, we are going to put some pink roses in the center of the bouquet to create a focal area. After the roses, we are also putting some of the ranunculus into the center area to break off some of the colors with the roses. They are gorgeous. After that is the upright hydrangea from my garden. They are full and lush. And then is the lucianthus. They have multiple blooms on the stems. So I just break them off and use them in the different areas of the bouquet. Oops, I forgot one of the stalks. So let's put it on the side. Haha, you didn't see it. Now is the astrantia. They are one of my favorite for the boho style arrangement. They give a lot of texture to the bouquet. And then we are using up some of the stems on the table, like cedar eucalyptus, silver dollars, and some of the leucanthus. After all the flowers and greenery, we are using one of the Oasis waterproof tape to tie the bouquet. You can also use wax string or wire, etc. But please do not use corsage tape. They are not strong enough to hold all the flowers and greenery. Okay, that has looked pretty good. Love it. I hope that you guys found value in these videos. If you did, please be sure you give it a like. If you want to check out other part of the wedding videos, I will be sure to put a link on the description or have a card pop up here. Let me know if you have any question in the comments below. I love to share all the information and knowledge I have to help you to make a better wedding design. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.